everyone. So we have amazing bar today. You know what is it? It's a courtyard cold press bar. Come, I'll show you. We have something called a basil cooler. What we did is it's basically a watermelon fresh puree, which is mixed with some basil and some ginger ale and sweet and sour. You can all add a vodka and ready to go. That is one drink. And we have Cola Dine and Abir Mahajani. I should say thanks for this. This is something that I grabbed it from you. So we added a cola with a grenadine and a pomegranate flavor. That is what this drink is. And when it comes to here, we have Argentinian wines. We have an MTV you can go with, and as a part of the brunch, we have this wine. And we do have some fresh honey-based cocktails today. Apart from that, and the best part of today is we have all customized drink by the Courtyard. So basically, this is a Courtyard cold press. We took a fresh grapes and we froze it and we removed the juices out of that, and we added all these flavors, some vanilla, lemon, apple and sugar, and basically like you can just open it and it is mixed with alcohol and you can just have it. And apart from this, we have something called Wild Mist. Wild Mist is nothing but it's a tender coconut water which is mixed with a berry, peach flavor, sugar and pineapple, and we load it into the bottle along with adding a rum to it. So all you have to do is when you wanted to have a cocktail, add your ice to a glass and pour it over and your drink is ready to go. And we have something called Courtyard Cold Press, which is Gold Medalist. Gold Medalist, it's a combination of strawberry, banana, pina colada, grenadine mixed drink. So it is totally a fruit tea. What all we did is we took the frozen fruits and we pressed the juices out of that and we made this drink. And this is another drink. And we have one setup of make your own cocktails you can do. And if you want to make any sangrias, we have all this sangrias. You can add these fruits, and we have some purees inside. You can just add those, and there you go. Beautiful drink, right? And let me come over here. We have something called Berry Guamere. It is basically a fresh Goa press which is mixed with a little canned Goa juice and added with the spices. And all you have to do here, we have a Hennessy, add into glass, and another cocktail of the day. Right, and we have one more. It's an orange soda, one of my most favorite though. We add a coin through it and it is basically loaded with alcohol and the flavors and the fizzes and a lot many secret ingredients, and you can just pour some alcohol if you want more stronger, and there your drink is ready. So basically this is Courtyard Cold Press Bar. Thank you so much. Cheers. Join us.